Hey guys, Mike Anthony here with another HFM.Parts installation video. Today we are installing a braided clutch line on our Toyota 86. You need only a few tools here. A ratchet with a 6-inch extension, socket in both 12mm and 14mm, pipe spanners, some side cutters, and a few rags. When you open the packet, you should see one braided clutch line and a banjo bolt with 2 washers. To begin, remove the strut bar. On the clutch master cylinder side, crack the bolts to the flexible clutch line. Remove that retaining clip and then lay some rags down to cover the gearbox from the clutch fluid. Remove the hard line and block the port with a rubber grommet or whatever you have on hand to prevent losing all the clutch fluid. Now, remove the retaining clip bracket. Take off the banjo bolt and washer on the clutch slave and then remove the line. Give this spot a quick clean and then you're ready for the new clutch line. Fit the new line to the clutch slave side first, using the new banjo bolt and washers. Make sure you don't fully tighten the banjo bolt yet. Next, fit the other end of the line to the clutch master cylinder and check for any twisting or kinks in the line. Tighten the clutch master cylinder side first and then the banjo bolt until it's all the way home, and then just snip it another 1/8. Bleed your clutch system as normal and ensure there are no leaks. Once you're happy, you can reinstall your strut bar. If you have any questions about this install, reach out to HFM.Parts.